The Cash Flow Planner in QuickBooks Online is fantastic for quick visual forecasting right inside your browser. But if you need to build advanced dynamic formulas, create custom dashboards for your business partners, or run deeply nested what-if scenarios, you need that data sitting inside a real spreadsheet. Fortunately, QuickBooks has a built-in tool that packages your entire predictive model straight into a native Microsoft Excel format. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull your cash flow data out in just a couple of clicks. Let's do it. To grab your file, glide your mouse all the way up to the top center of your screen and click directly inside the master search box. Simply type the word Cash Flow Planner into the field, and when the System Navigation drop-down expands below, click right on the Cash Flow Planner menu option to jump straight to the workspace. Once the layout pulls up, scroll down past your visual timeline graph until you reach your upcoming transaction grid below. Move your cursor over to the top right of the Ledger section header, right next to your custom filters, and click on that small export icon. Clicking that icon triggers your formatting menu layout. Go ahead and select Excel. QuickBooks will instantly format your entire cash flow forecast ledger, including your custom forecast entries and historical balances, into a native XLSX file and drop it straight into your device's Downloads folder. Now you have a structured spreadsheet completely ready for custom formatting, pivot tables, and deeper financial reporting. If this quick export guide saved you from manual data entry today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.